Hello, it's dumplet here. Here's an item on number theory. Let a and b be positive integers such that a squared plus 2ab minus 3b squared minus 41 equals 0. What is the value of a squared plus b squared? As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, in a lot of these number theory items where it is given that a and b are integers, it is very essential for us to see if we can factor in any way. Now, we are clearly motivated by the fact that we know this is factorable, right? We can factor it, and then we have a constant of negative 41, which we can easily put it on the other side. So let's try to do that. So from the given, let's put the negative 41 on the other side. So adding 41 on both sides, the negative 41 will become positive 41 here on the right. And we can factor this side, the left side, as desired. We can factor it into a plus 3b and a minus b. You can use any method you like, but just make sure you are able to factor it correctly. Now, having the positive integers restriction is very nice because since a and b are positive integers, we know that a plus 3b, this must be an integer, so must a minus b. Now, two positive integers multiply to 41. And this will allow us to go check the factors of 41. Now, you can do a little bit of test. You can find that this 41 over here is prime. So a number being prime, which means it can only be expressed as a product in one way. So it must be 1 times 41. There's no other way to get to find two positive integers that multiply to 41. Now, a plus 3b versus a minus b. So which is the 41, which is the 1? Now, since a and b are positive integers, we're adding something to a here. So we're adding 3b to a in the first expression, or the first factor. And then the second factor, we're subtracting b. So we can easily conclude that this a plus 3b should be greater than this a minus b. And therefore, we can easily assign the factors. The 41 must correspond to a plus 3b, and then the factor of 1 must correspond to a minus b. So we equate a plus 3b to 41 and a minus b to 1. This will be the result, 41 and 1 respectively. So all we have now is a system of equations in two variables. So you can use any method you like. Let's just do the method where we subtract the second equation from the first equation, since we know that the a's will cancel. So subtracting the second equation from the first, we're going to get 4b. So 3b minus negative b, it's going to be 3b plus b. That's 4b, equal to 41 minus 1, that's equal to 40. So from here, we can get that b here would be equal to 10. So b equals 10. Let me put this here. Whoops. b equals 10. Now let's substitute b equals 10 in, well, the second equation, because it looks more simple. So a minus 10, that's equal to 1. And we can easily conclude from this here that a here must be 11. So we have the value of a, we have the value of a, and then we have the value of b. So all we have to do is substitute it into the desired expression. Since we have a equals 11 and b equals 10, a squared will be 121, b squared will be 100, so 121 plus 100, we're going to end up with our final answer of 221. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!